Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try my bestest to explain the trade that I took yesterday and why I took it. If you watch my morning routine as a day trader video, I posted it as a YouTube short. You'll see that I took this exact trade, and you would see me marking up my support and resistance zones around 7 o'clock in the morning before the market opens. The future market doesn't open all the way until 9:30. So before that even happened, I marked up my support resistance because I seen that the market was consolidating a bit. So I said, all right, cool. Before I go take my shower, go eat breakfast, I'm gonna mark off some zones. It's a quick little chart evaluation. That's what I seen before I left out. When I came back to the charts, I seen that it broke out of my resistance area and it also closed above it. So I said, okay, cool. I look at the 5 minute time frame for entry and the 15 minutes to like mark up and see any zones. So this is my 15-minute demand zone on the 15-minute time frame, and my thought process behind this was, if price comes back and touch this 15-minute demand zone, I am going to get in for a long position. It did not come back and touch my demand zone. It actually ended up creating another demand zone on the 5 minute time frame, which is this box right here. So I said, okay, if price comes back and touches this demand zone, I'm gonna get in for a long position. Price did touch my demand zone right here, and that's the candlestick that I got in on. However, if you paper trade on TradingView, you know that it lags terribly. So it got me in on this candlestick. And realistically, I would never in a million years get in for a long position on this candlestick. That is just asking to get your money snatched. I got in at this candlestick. I got in pretty aggressive. As soon as it tapped it, I got in for a nice little one-to-one. It played out in my favor exactly. And as soon as it touched my TP, it reverse down to the downside. So in TradingView's eyes, I did not win this trade, but realistically, my strategy without the paper trading involved, it worked out in my favor. And I mainly trade supply and demand and support and resistance when the market is consolidating. So I hope that was clear enough for you guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.